so my tip or trick of the day is for those of you who are still, and that you have printed patterns. Maybe you have bought the patterns and you have printed them out from someplace like Ravelry or from the designer themselves, that you're just really like having the tactile, having that you can write on and check off. Yes, I did this thing. Yes, I did that thing. But then how do you keep it? And especially if you're going to use it as a reference for when you go shopping. I picked up this tip from my good friend Lucy. Always brought her sister-in-law over to go shopping, and her sister-in-law has a notebook like this, and I thought that's great. You take it to the store especially if you put in patterns that you really, really do want to make, like they are on the top of the list. And so the way that I organized mine is that I organized it by weight of the pattern, of the weight of the yarn. This first part is a reference. So in here I have like some stuff about the weights of the yarn and what kind of needles I should use and things like that. And then, and there's like, what do the sizes mean of, like a man's hat is approximately this size and takes approximately this much yarn to make. And then each section, like this is the fingering weight section. So I have sections in there all the way up to bulky. And then I have a section in here that could be any weight yarn. So it's not, size specific. And I think and every once in a while you do have to go through and cull out the things that no longer interest you. You've already made it. You're not ever going to make it again. You're not going to tell anybody to make it. You never need to memorize, remember what the name is. I did that this morning because this was really thick, had too many things in it. And now that's a reasonable thing to carry around. And it only has the things that I really want to make or want to remember about. So I think I told you last time I was here, I made a new page on my website that is called, it's a boring name. I may change the name, but right now it's called Free Learning Resources. So I have a PDF for these dividers, and it's free. So you just go to the link in the profile and go to the page that's Free Learning Resources, go all the way to the bottom, and you can download this PDF and you can print them out for yourself and make your own pattern notebook. That's my tip or trick of the day. I kind of like it. I should actually put something in the front here that's nice. It's boring. I don't even have, oh yeah, I have it marked here, knitting patterns, but I should put something nice and cool in the front. I'll do that in my free time.